So what I've done here is I've done the test where you put some on your arm and don't put any on the other arm, and I'm just going to wash this off now. So I've washed it off now, and I'm going to just apply foundation to this side and foundation to this side and see how Sand and Sky has actually made a difference to my skin. Taking the beauty blender, this is with no exfoliation. And also going on this side, this is with the exfoliation. I honestly thought it was a lie, but as you can see, with the exfoliation, it's actually seeped into the skin because it's taken off all the dead skin and it's actually seeped into the pores, and it looks a little bit more flawless, whereas without the exfoliation, it just looks a little bit oily. Welcome back to my channel. So today is all about Sand and Sky. So I am going to be trying out their Australian pink clay mask. This is the Purifying mask which detoxifies and brightens. Right now I have done the whole procedure of using this product and then applying makeup to see if my makeup sticks so much better, and I think it does. But before we get into the video, if you're brand new to my channel, why not hit that subscribe button? I do videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Sundays, and I'll be happy to have you here. So like, what are you waiting for? Have you hit the subscribe button? You have? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, let's start because I'm like super excited. So it comes with this little brush, and I'm just gonna dip it into the pot of mask, and I'm just gonna place it all on my skin. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Kind of like that they have like a brush because it's just easy to apply. Oh child, it is tingling on my skin. Woo! Tingle, tingle. I really don't want to get any in my hair. I always, when I do a mask, get it in my hair. It's so annoying. Wow, my face is on fire. My face is absolutely on fire. And lucky for me, I didn't get anything on my hair. The only thing is my face feels like it's on fire. Like, it feels like it's absolutely on fire. So what I've done here is I've done the test where you put some on your arm and don't put any on the other arm, and I'm just going to wash this off now. So I've washed it off now, and I'm going to just apply foundation to this side and foundation to this side and see how Sand and Sky has actually made a difference to my skin. Taking the beauty blender, this is with no exfoliation. And also going on this side, this is with the exfoliation. I honestly thought it was a lie, but as you can see, with the exfoliation, it's actually seeped into the skin because it's taken off all the dead skin and it's actually seeped into the pores, and it looks a little bit more flawless, whereas without the exfoliation, it just looks a little bit oily. So what I'm going to do is wash this all off, and then I'm going to do my look for today and show you how important it is to exfoliate the skin using Sand and Sky. But that's actually crazy because that's actually giving me a flawless finish. I remember seeing this kind of like tutorial on YouTube and also like on Insta stories, and I just thought they were just full of shit. And I was like, no way is it gonna make, but you've seen it for yourself, like it's actually made the foundation look so much more nicer. So I think I'll be using this 2 or 3 times a week. That's the recommended guide. But yeah, it's an Australian botanical infused pink clay mask, and it is a super powered 4-in-1 formula. It's an instant detox mask to tighten pores, and it will also invigorate a dull complexion and instantly boost radiance. And as you can see, this side of my hand is glowing so much more than that side. You can just use this in one use and it already gets to work on your pores, tightening them and detoxifying them. The organic licorice aids in stimulating new cell production, while the old man weed tackles pigmentation clusters. The aloe vera ingredient also aids in tightening the pores but also smooths irritation and calms the skin, whilst the pomegranate boosts collagen and makes the skin nice and juicy and plump. So this has been on my skin for about 7 minutes now. It's starting to crack. And I would say, first things first, this is a great mask. At first it was tingling and I was like, why is my face on fire? But now I'm like, oh, it's feeling lovely. It's feeling lovely. I'm gonna get glowing skin. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. I've just applied some cream to my face. Absolutely loving the results. Like, my face feels so smooth. It feels so soft, guys, like so soft. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna apply the rest of my makeup so you can see how it sets after using this mask. So guys, I've finally done my makeup of the day and I really feel like it's sitting very nicely thanks to Sand and Sky. So if you like this video, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone can benefit from this video, why not share it? And as always, I'll leave the links down below of the products and of my social media if you want to follow me. But I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember guys, to always stay, what? Bougie.